All right, just look around and you'll see how artificial intelligence, especially robots, have really shaped our lives, or at least beginning to.
Yeah, think about it. From food delivery to stocking store shelves, even in the hospitality industry, robots are the wave of the future, and apparently the future is now. No one knows that better than the students at Bioscience High School in Phoenix.
Yeah, so they just placed second in a robotics championship in Los Angeles, and they have their eyes set on another competition, this time in Houston. So Gibby is live with these really smart kids. Good morning.
They are, and you know what? They're going to need your help. Here's the thing. We just ran 2 stories the last 2 days. One of them, the robot that was delivering food to those NAU students, and then you had the smoothing making robot that they had over in San Francisco. Guess who's going to be running those in the future? These guys are right here, this whole team, because that's what really they're all about. I have Johan, Alexander, and Jasmine here. Alexander, you know, your whole team comes together to compete in this, and you guys made it to Houston. But it's going to take something to make to Houston, right?
Yeah, so each year we are given 6 weeks to build a robot for a certain theme. This year it was space, and we had to place panels onto the rocket ship and then get balls into the rocket ship as well. However, the biggest thing is to get to Houston, it costs a lot of money because our team is downtown Phoenix, so we don't have too much funding, and that's the biggest problem now.
So people can help out, and as a matter of fact, it's a tax credit if they want to help donate to get the whole team out there. But how did you guys get there? When you think about what this robot does, what do you have with this robot? What is it doing here?
Well, we had Alex has said before, we had 6 weeks to build the robot, and within those 6 weeks, we had to build the robot from scratch. We came together as a team, came up with many ideas on what we wanted to do, and that's how we came up with the idea of an elevator and also a platform that grabs the plate using Velcro. Once again, I said this before, we did this as a team. It wasn't just a single person.
And that's the best part about this team, Jasmine, is that as you guys continue to compete, as you continue to try to move forward in this, what is it like for you guys?
I mean, for us, it's also more than robots. We also go out into our community and we spread STEM to them and we mentor them, and we just want to help them bring to where we are today.
In the community, for smaller schools, we have over 2,000 hours of volunteering and teaching students of introductory robotics too.
All right, and then when you have, is this the full team? Does this full team get to go with you? Who gets to go with you, and how do you guys determine that? And let's see if we can get this one moving. We'll have these guys so we can show Gerardo what that does, because it really, even if some of these in here, the support that they give you guys really goes a long way, especially if you have to go to Los Angeles and Houston.
Yeah, so in LA, we qualified for the playoffs, and we tied in finals. So that qualified us to go to the Houston Championship. However, we're hoping to take the entire team, which is right here. However, the biggest struggle right now is funding, as getting there is very expensive for us.
All right, well, you know what? We have a big valley here. There's a lot of people here that are in this valley. Can you guys make this move over here so Gerardo can see what we have? And I want you guys to explain what it takes for this. This is connected to a computer. You guys have to send the message to it. Then how does it work from there, Johan?
Well, first, before we can send any message, we have to code the robot, and that requires a lot of work. Our coding team, David and Juan, he's somewhere over here. Well, basically, I spent countless hours working on the robot, trying to make sure when you press this button with the controller, it moves forward, or when you press this button, it shoots out those pistons. That took a long time, and also with the mechanical team, we had to come up with the ideas, like I said before, and then we had to build them, which a lot of these were new concepts to us, which we've never done before. So we had a lot to learn. Also working with our mentors, making sure they can help us, and it was just an enjoyable moment. Also for electrical, we had to make sure all the wires were wired correctly and the signal was supposed to go to the correct motors and all that type of stuff.
All right, get together with everybody over here. I know you guys have a dragon cheer. Get a dragon cheer going while I toss back to Scott and Olivia. Guys, here's the thing. They need to make it over to Houston. You can help out. We have a huge valley out here of people who always get behind kids, especially smart kids like this that are going to be running our future anyways. So are you guys ready? You guys got your cheer going? Let's go. Start one up. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Hey, dragons, you so fly up in the sky. Hey, dragons. Hey, 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 dragons. Woo!
See, guys? Who wouldn't want to give to them? That's what I'm talking about.
Seriously.
On the fly, because the dragons are so fly. Make sure you give to them. Help them get to Houston.
It's going to work. I feel it.
Fingers crossed. Gibby,
Yeah.
thank you
Gibby,
so
thank
much.
you.